15 miles per hour. The severe National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dallas County and north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing baseball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cedar Hill, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This storm has produced larger than baseball-size hail. Seek shelter now. The severe thunderstorm will be near Midlothian around 8:25 p.m., Oak Leaf around 8:30 p.m., Red Oak around 8:35 p.m. This storm has a history of producing large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.